taxi tree, Unitroborn taxi tree. So this is the taxi, and this is the pine tree, and this is the box taxi tree from Bandai, Unitroborn taxi tree. So it should look like this. Okay, so let's try this one out. Let's transform. It should be like that, and then you push it. There you go. It will automatically activate. Okay. There you go. Now the next one is the apple lobster. So here's supposed to be the apple, and obviously this is the lobster. So let's check out the box. So here's apple lobster, Unitroborn apple lobster. Again, this is originally from Bandai Namco. So this is the instruction. This should be the final form. Okay, so let's do this. Very simple. So again, just look for the connection here. This one, and then here. Okay, so we just need to transform. Just push. There you go. Then this one, let's pull out until you hear the click. Whoa. There you go. There you go. That's your apple lobster. Okay, so this is the ambulance cake. Ambulance cake. Unitroborn ambulance cake. This is how it looks like. Right. There you go. Now the next one is Beetle steam train. Beetle steam train. So here's the Beetle, and here's the steam train. Okay, so let's see. So it looks like this. All right, so let's connect. So here's the head. Oh no! There you go. So there's your Beetle steam train. Okay, so the next one is bulldozer burger. So there's the bulldozer, and then there's the burger. Okay, so let's take it out. Okay, so here's the bulldozer. And there's the burger. Okay, so let's do this. So how do we, okay, so here, so it should be like this. So let's push to activate. There you go. So where's the bit? Oh, like this. Disconnected. Did I broke it? No. Okay, here, like this. And like this. Ah, there you go. There's the burger. The burger and then the bulldozer. Okay. All right. Alright, so the next one is penguin camera. Penguin camera. So here's the penguin and here's the camera. Okay, so there you go. So let's take it up. Let's take out the penguin. Okay, the camera. Okay, it's kind of small. Okay, let's push. Okay. Oh, it's kind of small. There you go. So there's your penguin camera. So the next one is pineapple bus. So there's the pineapple, then the bus, and this is how it looks like. Kind of cute. Okay, so this one is just like this. So I think this is their main mascot or main character. I don't know, I haven't watched the anime yet, so but let's take it out. So the name is, what's this? Utazo or Utazidi? Oh, Utazo. So this one. So Utazo. So what do we have here? Oh, I think I need to put a battery here. What's this? 20. Oh. So I think this is where you put the battery. How about this one? So that's the right side. So how about the left side? Wow. Okay, so that's Utazo. Alright, so the next one is pancake dump truck. So obviously, here's your pancake and the dump truck. So this is how it looks like. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, so here's the dump truck. And the pancake. Alright, this side here. Okay, let's push. It's like a mammoth. So there you go. Do I need to put it back? Oh, so it's like a mammoth, see? Alright, so there you go. Okay, so next one is shark vending machine. So obviously here's the shark and then your vending machine. So this is how it looks like. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so here's the shark. And here's your vending machine. And let's connect it here. Push. There you go. And it doesn't have an arm, or maybe this is the arm already. There you go.